Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new to the channel, welcome back. I appreciate you for coming back. In this video, we are going to do a weekly Tesla update. So this is a series where I'm experimenting with different investment strategy, like by committing $20 every day purchasing into Tesla stock. I spend $20 a day buying Tesla stock. I started this series like a couple of months ago, and I do one video a week about this particular part of my portfolio, where I talk about my holdings, what I'm doing. I show you my holdings, I show you the transaction, and the whole point of me doing this is, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to share with you so you can see that you don't have to have a lot of money to start investing in the stock market. Like, you don't have to have crazy amount of money. You just have to commit something to the market and just let it, keep doing its thing over time. So I do a couple of things for income right now. Like, I have my dividend portfolio that pays every month. So like the general portfolio, I made a couple of videos on that. You can check out those videos like right up here. I'm gonna link some of them right there for you to check out. And I also do trading, so I'm gonna be bringing more content to you guys about that coming up. And at the same time, I have my job. Most of you guys that you're watching this, you probably met me from my job. So one day I'm gonna review what I do to you guys, but when I quit that for YouTube and just being an investor. My main goal is I'm trying to transition from working to just spending all my time to be an investor. And an investor being, I'm doing basically managing my portfolio, figuring out ways to create more value for the world, so I can earn my money and be able to funnel that back into my investments. So without taking too long, let's get right into the portfolio, and I'll share some of my thoughts on what has happened over the week with Tesla stock, and some of my takes on it. So let's just dive right into it. Without taking too long, let's get right into it. So on this week's Tesla update, we're up $2,700. I've put in a total of $2,800. Unfortunately, Tesla stock is a little bit down today. It don't really matter to me. I'm a long-term investor in Tesla, so it don't really matter. The stock is down $520. For the week, we up $270. For the month, $1,600, which is great. $1,600. And for the past 3 months, it's up $2,000. So long term, this portfolio, this is looking great for me. Long term is looking great. So we finally hit 10 shares. All I've been doing is putting $20 every day into Tesla stock. A dollar cost average into it, $20 every day. And yeah, the stock is up. I've basically almost doubled my money. Today we're down, but basically almost doubled my money. As I'm recording this video, it's going to be in sections. Some sections of it will show that Tesla is up 600. I'm having issues with my recording software, but in general, the portfolio is looking great. We are doing well here. $2,700. This is exactly what I'm trying to tell you guys with investing. It's great. Let's look at the transaction I can do every week to share with you guys what the transaction is looking like as well. Getting into the transaction here, as you guys see, I just still put in my $20 every day. I started doing this a couple of months ago, like a month and a half ago now, almost 2 months I think. And I'm going to be doing this. I'm committed to doing this for like another 5 years or 10 years, for as long as I possibly can. As long as Tesla set their plans out and they're working towards the plan and they're still the number one, I'm going to be doing this, because the company still have so much going on. For example, they have the Cybertruck, they have the semi truck, they have the Roadster. They have 2 factories that they're building. They're gonna create their own battery system. They just raised $5 billion. They just raised money from the stock market. The stock is a little bit down today. Who knows? Maybe they're selling some of it today. But as a long-term investor, I'm not really worried about the day-to-day fluctuation of the price. As one of the great investors once said, Jack Bogle, short-term, the stock market is a voting machine. Long-term is a weighing machine. And I believe by me having my money in a corporation like Tesla stock, over time the weight of my money would go up. So that is exactly what I'm trying to do here. But I'm just like you. I'm just like you, working a regular job and trying to build my portfolio. So what I'm doing is I just put in $20 every day into Tesla stock. Putting $20 every day into Tesla stock. And I do this series where I show you what is going on specifically in my Tesla holdings, because I believe that I need to be transparent about this and showing what's possible. It's very, very important. Like as you guys see, you've seen the transaction. I've showed you guys a breakdown of the current holdings. This is as genuine as it comes when it comes to someone that I want to share their thoughts on investing to you. So consider subscribing to the channel if you like what I do here. Subscribe. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. It helps promote my channel out to other people. I appreciate you for doing that. But yeah, Tesla stock, I'm going to keep on doing this. It's working so far for me just by investing $20. And I'm quite amazed that by investing $20 just consistently, I'm almost at $2,000, almost at $3,000 that I have in here. And I have 10 shares of Tesla stock. So I'm happy about that. I believe this is going to be a fun, interesting experiment to show people that, no matter what, investing is the way to go. And if you like what I do, like I said, please leave a like in the video. Let's go to the next section and talk about the news and all the stuff that is going on when it comes to Tesla, because Tesla is raising more money to be able to grow the business. So I'm really happy about that. Let's get to the news. When a company raises money, is basically just like anything in life, supply and demand. Let's say if I have this chapstick, for example, and I have one, and there's only one that exists in this world. There's only one that exists. Well, anytime, let's say I have extra money, I make more factories, and I build more factories, and I can make more of these things, then this one becomes less valuable. It's not only this one that is available now. Now there's more of it. But in terms of Tesla here, Tesla is currently, the company is currently worth $616 billion. This right here basically is their piggy bank. They can decide to say, you know what, we're worth $616 billion. The value of our shares is $600 per share. So what we want to do is we want to sell 10 million shares, and it will be 632 times 10 million, and that money goes to the company. So, but the thing is, I'd rather Elon raise a lot of money, because if you guys watch my video, you remember me saying, Elon said one time, he said that it needs 100 factories to transition the world into sustainable energy. And he recently, in an interview recently, he talked about electric jet. It talked about bringing all the stuff that he's planning to bring to market, actually bringing it to market. So all that stuff costs a lot of money. So I'm happy. I'm happy with Elon raising money. They just raised the $5 billion 3 months ago. Now they're raising another $5 billion. So within the space of 3 months, they raised $10 billion. I think that is great. It goes down into their balance sheet, just in case there's ever a problem in the future. They need money. Anything happen, they have almost $20 billion of cold hard cash, in their bank account. and at the same time Wall Street have to buy their stock because they're going into the S&P 500. So this is a good time. This is the perfect. That's why I always say, listen, Elon Musk is the man to run this company. Elon Musk is the man to run this company. I believe maybe one day Tesla can decide to buy the Boring Company. I think that would be a great thing if Tesla actually buys out Boring Company and put Boring Company under Tesla. It would be such a great thing for Tesla investors. So like, there's a lot of potential with Tesla, and the money that they recently raised is great for the company. It's great for the investors. Elon knows how to allocate money, how to put money to work. So this $5 billion that they raised, it's okay. Me, I don't mind my shares being diluted a little bit, even though I'm a small investor. But I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm able to invest in the company and enjoying the company's growth as well. So that's that. But there's a lot of news about Elon, what he has been up to and talking about. He did a couple of interviews. I'm going to be bringing that to you guys. So this is just a snapshot of the current news. CNBC, CNN here is talking about how Tesla just raised $5 billion, and like I'm talking about. People in India are buying Tesla stock. Good for them. Smart people, keep on buying. Shorts are getting burned. You know, Tesla is a company that I believe in greatly, and I'll keep on doing my thing. Hopefully I can get my money up when one day I can be putting in $1,000 a day. That's like my ultimate goal. Just put $1,000 a day into Tesla for like 2 years, and then just set off to just retire after that. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you for watching. If you like what I do here, consider subscribing to the channel. I do dividend investing, and I watch out for growth companies, and I bring that to you guys, my audience. And every week I do my dividend update where I share with you guys my portfolio. I share that with you. And I'm also getting into doing covered calls and covered puts. I'm going to start sharing more of that as well. I do day trading, right? I do day trading, but I'm not doing that full time right now because I'm trying to focus on other things, especially that have to do with my YouTube channel. I believe that this is a great way for me to actually voice my opinion and put my opinion out there. And I believe some people will find value in what I'm doing, so that's why I'm doing this. I want to be able to do this YouTube full-time someday in the future, so I believe I'll get there soon. So if you're watching this video, go check out my channel, see what I'm about, watch a couple of my videos. You get to feel what I'm about. I'm really about bringing people along, showing people how to invest. This is the $1 million challenge. If I get to the million, if I can get to the $1 million, you can too. So we're still a way off, but we'll get there. We'll get there very soon. So please stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can get my videos right as soon as I post them. Thank you again. Love you all. Bye. Take care. Bye.